Hi. Today, I thought I would discuss a framework for evaluating a new marketing automation tool whenever you're trying to buy. You should look beyond the features that it provides, right? Most of us keep talking about different features that a tool is providing, but that's not the good right start. And I've seen most of the teams when they buy marketing automation tools, they look at the features and try to buy it. And that's when the things, start going in the wrong direction. I mean, not exactly the wrong direction, but that's when the thought process and the things that we should be looking at, we may be missing that. We may not be looking at that. And that's not the good sign. So when someone asks me, like, should we buy this new marketing automation tool? I always slow down the conversation and try to ask a different types of questions, like outside of the features that it's going to provide, so that I can understand how it fits into the ecosystem, how it's going to solve a problem, how it's going to have that impact, and who's going to actually use it. So there are a few things that I start with. The first one is like trying to see like what type of problems it solves. I'm not going to look at the demo use case. I'm going to look at the real business problem. So if the implementation plan and if the tool that you're trying to purchase cannot articulate or cannot tell you like what gets better after the implementation, that's already a red flag. And second most important thing is like where this tool fits into the existing ecosystem. Is it going to replace something which is already there, or is it going to add that complexity of like new layer of system that we have to look into and start doing things again or reinvent the wheel? And every new tool increases operational overhead. Sometimes we admit it, but or not, but it is the fact. Now, third is like data impact. So how it's going to impact the data? Is it going to create new data set for us? Is it going to modify or update the existing data we're already collecting, syncing, or looking at? Or is it going to depend on the data set that we already have? And most importantly, like who's going to own the data? And can we trust it downstream? And the last one is like adoption. So after doing all of these tasks, we really need to make sure that someone is actually using this tool day to day or in their day-to-day work. And the answer is like everyone's going to use it. Maybe no one is going to use it. So clear ownership matters more than the feature depth. And finally, I ask whether this tool scales decision making, not just the execution. Because if it's create another layer of dashboard and which gives no clarity, it's probably not worth it. So the best marketing automation tool not just add capabilities, but they reduce friction, increase or improve the trust in the data, and help team, make better decision making. So that's the bar I use every time when I have to buy a tool or when I'm working with my clients to buy or help them buy a new tool. Thank you.